Okay, so first I selected the image and then I went to Object Expand Appearance. This just creates outlines for everything and pathways for everything. The next thing I did was the Shape Builder tool, leaving everything already selected. And you can see I'm clicking in to these spaces and they're creating basically an object so that you can fill it. And then I'm clicking off because I just wanted to zoom in and make sure that things like the teeth and the top there you could fill. So selecting everything again, going back to the Shape Builder tool, now I'm doing the eyes. And if you click and drag when you're in the Shape Builder tool, then you can add other shapes that are in there. Looks like there was some detail. I just scrubbed over it so that the eye you could fill with one color. And it fills with black automatically, but you can change that once you're finished. I'm doing the same thing on the other side. You can see it's built in that shape. And I'm just adding that piece of the eye. And then I clicked in the white portions of the eye. And I'm just clicking the teeth so that the teeth are individual paths. You can see it, like all 4 teeth clicked in that case. That means that there's an opening in the pathway. So I'm going to finish the rest of the teeth that are individuals that are already ready to go. So you just have to click one single click and then that creates the object. Now I'm going to zoom in. See here, you can see the broken pathways. So I'm going to delete that little bit and then I'm just going to drag over that tooth line so that it connects with all the other areas. Fucked that up, so I'm actually going to fix it. Fucked it up again and fix that. Same with the other pathway, just going to drag that one down so it overlaps. So now we should be good to go with those remaining teeth. Do the same thing, select, go to the Shape Builder tool, and then click all those areas of the teeth. You can see the objects being built once I individually click those. Cool. So now I'm going to click off everything and I'm going to click left click here or control click and then hit ungroup because everything will automatically group together. So now I'm clicking the individual teeth and I'm going to select all the teeth together. That way I can change the color and change it to white. Cool. And I missed that last one, so I'm going to change that one to white. Now I'm going to do the eyes. Cool. And now I'm going to do the main portion of the pepper. Just click any random orange. Sweet. Those white parts there were where there was little sketch points. So you can either delete those and then add them later, or you can use the Shape Builder tool like I showed you before. And now I'm just doing the stem. So see, you can just fill everything, but they have to be a closed object for you to be able to fill it. That's pretty much it.